All right, let's look at the radar returns. We're starting to shift into nowcasting here as we're looking at what's happening back toward the west. Looked at some DOT cameras across the I-40 corridor getting back into Tennessee, and the ground's covered there, and they're still able to travel on it, but it is starting to get covered there. As we look back through North Georgia, same story. We've got some ground truth there as we've had some flurries and some snow showers. It's starting to fill in here on schedule. Winter storm warning in effect for everybody in the Carolinas and Georgia as this winter storm takes shape and spreads in across the area. Everything is pretty well on track with the timing, the totals, the impacts, all locked in here as this storm is taking shape. Now, it doesn't mean it's not going to throw us curveballs. We're going to stay on top of it using our tools, including our Skycam and our own Doppler radar that helps us pinpoint where that snow is falling, exactly where it's falling at. Here's the snow spreading in across the day tomorrow. Just about every square inch of the Carolinas will be covered in snow by this time tomorrow, and some of us it'll be quite a bit of snow. Let's look closer at those totals because they are higher than we have been kind of staying on top of the data. So each day we've kind of looked at the new data and said, all right, we need to go up a little bit. And here we are sitting at 4 to 6 inches. And I think that still sits pretty good for most of us. But if there's going to be an area that may get a little bit closer to the higher end, I think it'd be Greenville, Travelers Rest, Greer, into Five Forks, back through Spartanburg. Those areas could be 6+ inches, and by plus I mean getting closer to 9 or 10. We'll watch that closely. Back through the Tennessee state line, we've got 8 to 12 inches as the snow has already started there. As you look at our Skycam networks, I'm looking at the ceiling too. We're still good and dry in Anderson, Spartanburg. Doesn't mean that the snow flurries or flakes can't make it down. It's just that ceiling is still pretty high. Asheville, it has lowered and you're 30 degrees and it's snowing there. Same story at Hilton Greenville. I'm noticing that little haze starting to get in the sky as that ceiling starts to lower. It is currently 34 degrees. Plenty cold enough, and that northeast wind, whew, it's driving in at 17 miles per hour. That Arctic air is here, and boy, it is going to be Arctic. Let me show you as we go into tomorrow morning. 19 in Asheville, 25 with snow widespread across the area. And tomorrow it is a snow day, a good old-fashioned snow day where it just continues to snow hour by hour. Those temperatures going colder as the day goes on, and with that wind driving in, it is going to be brutal. As we look toward Asheville and Hendersonville, those temperatures getting down into the low teens with snow driving in as we go hour by hour as well. 28 in Greenville, 29 in Anderson, and 22 in Asheville. Latest computer model shows that high resolution model showing that snow spreading in across the upstate. It is just ripping and roaring by 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Now, for the southern part of the upstate, it may take until closer to 8, but it's coming. Everybody's going to get it tomorrow, and it will continue to be heavy through the afternoon hours. By 2, 3 o'clock, starting to push toward the south, and we still got some snow showers across the area, but the majority of the bulk of the storm is now pushing off toward the south. Again, some snow flurries, some snowflakes pivoting around right here, and it will still be coming down in Spartanburg, Gaffney, and Greenwood. Snow totals look a little bit closer like this. 6 inches is a good bet across Greenville, 5 in Anderson. And again, some of those areas toward the east here may be some surprise 9 inches, but it's like the summertime. You'll get some scattered amounts that are a little bit higher. Asheville and Hendersonville, same story. You go toward the Tennessee state line, though, we're talking about almost a foot in some locations. Dangerous travel and dangerous temperatures. Those are our two main concerns. And like Bradford mentioned earlier in the broadcast, that wind chill value gets lower and lower as we go into tomorrow. It'll feel like 6 by 4:30, -2 in Asheville, and that cold weather keeps funneling in. By 7 a.m. on Sunday, it's -20 in Asheville. Let's look closer at that forecast because there are some lingering impacts with this. I think you're going to have some problems with the roads and school closings and whatnot into next week because of the thaw, the refreeze. We don't get above freezing again until Monday, and that's only 38 degrees, so you'll have some minimal melting. Then we fall down to 20, back up to 45. That's when we get some meaningful melting. And I think there may be some problems on Wednesday morning, but by then we're starting to climb out of that, and I see a 50 on the board for this time next week. That'll be nice after a big change, right? Heavy snow in the mountains, down to 3 Sunday morning. You're up to 23 Sunday afternoon, back down to 6 by Monday.